It's April 1st now, so may I find one or two people full. My first contestant. Just too funny.
Hello?
Brethren, how far now?
Okay.
Naima, my God, now my second number be this. Naima, my God, now my second number be this. Naima, my God.
Oh my God.
Now, no be just too funny be this.
Now me now.
Now, I say this is my second number. You no get this number now. Do you have it?
Tell me something that only me and you know best. Today, I don't want anybody to see me today.
I don't know say you get this number, Joe, idiot. Oh, but that's true. Today na April Fool, oh, na true. One more. Go.
One person don't first try to pull me. I call her.
Correct. Thank you. Thank God say you tell me. One more. I don't even forget. Thank God say I call you. Therefore, don't use my head. On my day, Jerry. Now one company, but I don't call SLK. I don't know who else to call. But I don't know if your brand go fit do am. Na condom company, and they say no be real brand ambassadorship, but something for a year, sha. But the way they talk, it be like say they try more, but at the end of the day, na brand ambassadorship. But it be like say they no want drop better money. They say for 1 year, say 5 million. But we go they attend like 5 million for 1 year. 1 million for 5 million for 1 year. But the 5 million now, like anytime they get events, we go make appearances. But whenever we go do skits for them, it no go be free, but it no go be the normal rate where we dey charge. So we go come out like 50%.
Okay.
You get? But 5 million to sign us for a year, you get. But the thing come be say I no come know. Like when I told SLK say man, the thing no go with him brand though. Say condom. I know.
My brother know they do condom.
Okay, you know if you do the condom.
Then you need to double the money or find a way to.
Check the delay. You say your brother know they do condom, but make they double the money.
You understand? If you double that money, I feel this time.
Okay, if they double the money, your brand go come do am. You be idiot too.
My money to stay off social media.
You say what?
If they say I'll take you and give my mama, say me she not enter inside car.
If they pay you 10M, you go give your mama 2M. Say make you no enter social media for 1 year. More. Who else you think say I fit call? Cause they told me they need like five people. Me I dey consider am sha. So that means remaining 4.
Okay, they need 5 people.
Yeah.
So you dey consider am.
Me they consider am, but I told me I come straight to you. I tell them say I no fit do 5 million. But make I come straight with you. Me I say I no go fit do 5 million for a year, cause that 5 million self, like you know how they be.
That money is
But if they can bring it to like say 10 million, Abi, so all of us go get United Voice. You get, all right. So that's me, you. Who else? Who else have you called?
Call Brother Shaggy now.
But that one even resemble condom. I know say you go do that.
That one has condom already.
Okay. Okay, lively, Brother Shaggy. Lasisi, do you think Lasisi will do? Do you think Lasisi will do? Okay, lively, Shaggy, Lasisi. No, well, I'll get back to you, man. But still, April Fool. April Fool. April Fool. See you on Instagram, nigga. See you on Instagram. Bye bye. Let me try Shaggy and see if Shaggy will chop it. Yeah. Brother Shaggy, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Good morning. He's a man, my God. How far? You never see my number. You dey craze o.
Don't swear it.
You just dey wake up.
Yes, boss.
Ọmọ ẹ̀yin ẹ má fi iṣẹ́ para yín o. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan?
Fine, boss.
a quick one. I say make I ask you, man. I don't ask you say okay, say you no go fit do, but I have Josh Too Funny and this guy on board Lively. So now Lively say may I ask you. Now one new condom brand. So now when I say condom, I say okay, say no fit do, but they try launch into Nigeria. They talk to me and they say make I follow 4 other people talk, making 5 of us. We go. They no bring them straight as brand ambassadorship, but it's more or less like a brand ambassadorship to rep them for like a year. So basically, any event where they get for a year, you go date there. Then you go do a number of contents for them. You tell them the number you do for free. Then the remaining, they go they pay half of your money, but they will pay you 10 million as a sign fee for 1 year.
For a year.
For a year, yeah. So now, after that 10 million, you come feed you tell them the number of contents where you feed do for free. Then the remaining ones they go pay, but you'll give them discount.
Okay, but the appearance they part of the 10 million.
The appearance, you go tell them how many events you go fee appear for the 10 million.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. I go draft how many events I go see appear, then how many skits, and how many posts.
Okay. All right, so I have you on board. So I'll get back to you whatever they say, and I'll let you know which way forward.
All right, bro. Thank you.
But April Fool, sha. April Fool.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I'll pàdé ní Instagram. But I like you. You did straight to business. You want to share plain talk. No, nice one, Baba.
Very good.
Yes, boss. Nedu did April Fool for someone with his kit this morning. Let's see if Nedu will chop him or not. Nedu.
Yeah.
Brethren, how far now? You dey enjoy you and that your presidential suit where you dey inside. Oh God, go on. Oh boy, nothing do you. Quick one, I beg. I don't know why SLK the dollar. I don't tell SLK say no go fit do, but I don't call Just Too Funny, Lively and Brother Shaggy the on board. So I need one more person.
Okay.
So it's a condom brand coming to Nigeria, a new condom brand. You get, and they say they don't talk am like brand ambassador, but they form like say they're wise. More or less, waiting they talk now see brand ambassadorship because the deal is.
I think. I'm not going anywhere. I think. Yes, you don't go so far. Yes.
I don't need to go too far. Make I tell you waiting they talk first. For 1 year they'll pay you 10 million. For 1 year they'll pay you 10 million. Then you go tell them waiting you fit do, like how many skits you fit do, how many appearances you fit make and everything. But the cocoa be say, like when I say okay, yes in a condom, he say no go do. Now waiting I say me I ask you for first be that. Wait. Okay, but now April Fool.
Don't kill you. Me, I know the April Fool they do. For you to bring condoms to start with them, I know this.
Get out!
I will do April Fool even before you start. Don't try me.
Get out of here! Bye. Okay, let's try Wi-Fi. Let's try MC Lively's one. I just realized that my hand blocked the mic when and it was so funny, man. It's painful. So let me replace him with Wi-Fi. All right, hold up.
Sorry, hello?
Yeah, baby girl, how you doing now? I'm alright, man.
I do.
A quick one. You get one thing where I be want enter now. They say me I get people, so I don't get guys, and they say they need babes too. I don't know. You go feed rep condom brand. The deal now. What?
Sure. If the money makes sense, why not?
Like 10M for a year.
10M for a year.
Yeah, but
ambassador company.
They no talking like ambassador, but more or less it's like ambassador. You get, but they are going to be like the 10M and majorly just for appearances. But if you go do skits for them, you go still charge them, but you go give them discount.
Okay.
So
I'll be doing skits for them for a year.
No. You go talk how many you go fit do, but that 1 year now just to they rep them. You know, maybe you go get like you go I go check for the details, but basically you go their events when they get events, you understand? Okay. And they go use your picture.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, but you are cool with it, yeah?
Yeah, you want which condom is that?
Na new one, na new brand. No be all these ones already out. Like they just a
Oh
start.
yeah, now.
So,
Okay, maybe they follow me talk now.
no, well, I'll let you know how it goes. I'll get back to you.
You say I'm gonna do and be that.
Now. So if I don't do, wait, if I don't do, you no go do.
I'm not your picture, but
Oh no, wala, but April Fool, sha, April Fool.
oh, Ima, you're not serious. You're not. That's the thing that I don't. You know well.
You don't plan out. April Fool.
Oh God, Ima.
I go see you for Instagram. Bye bye.
You're not serious. You're not serious. You're not serious.
You love me. You love me. Bye bye.
Good. Good.
Omo. All of una chop am back to back. All of una. Omo, I go see una for Instagram. Bye bye. Ó dàbọ̀. Ọmọ April fún mi. April. See you on Instagram, nigga. Bye bye. Oh no. Bye. So you and George don't chop. I don't win 2 people. Now I go find more people. Bye bye.